This is Charles with AlphaPex, adding value to your construction project. Today we're going to discuss through-wall flashings. Through-wall flashings are designed with the intent to allow water working down the drainage plane an opportunity to exit the wall cavity. This can be a rather complicated scope. I'm going to break it down into three areas of the most commonly used materials. First would be flexible flashings, second, metal flashings, and third would be a combination of metal and flexible used together. Flexible flashings come in standard widths, usually 4, 6, 8, 12, 18, 24, and occasionally 36-inch rolls. We used to see flexible flashings be asphaltic in nature. However, we are seeing more synthetic options now. The flexible flashing installation process is relatively straightforward. Typically, it will be attached to the wall using a termination bar, go down the vertical surface, and then out the horizontal surface, typically a brick ledge. The masonry or other cladding will bear on top of the flashing. With flexible flashings, it's very important that the product is detailed at laps and seams. Ideally, you want to see preformed corners and end dams used at termination points. One advantage to flexible flashings is that they are generally purchased on a roll and can be field fabricated to fit the scenario. This cuts down on the fabrication time that may be necessary for metal flashings. It would have to be measured and then shop fabricated. With metal flashings, you would typically see stainless steel, galvanized steel, or other types of painted metals, either steel or aluminum. The metal is usually sheared from flat stock and then bent to the profile required by the job site conditions. In almost every scenario, each elevation will have to be measured, then shop fabricated before it can be installed. The shop drawings are helpful, but often will have to be edited based on as-built measurements. Metal flashings are extremely durable, but attachment methods are very important. Typically, you will see either soldered joints or lap joints with sealant. It takes a very specific skill set to fabricate metal flashing in the field to fit certain scenarios. Be vigilant, make sure that your metal flashing crew is well trained, and make sure that the detailing is correct at corners, end dams, and laps. Combination flashing systems will use typically a metal flashing at the base with a flexible that overlaps. This system combines the best of flexible and metal, allowing you flexibility to install quickly in the field with less shop fabrication necessary. I hope you found this information helpful. Please leave a comment below. This is Charles with AlphaPex, your value-added partner in the construction process. Have a great day.